Hello! Today we'll be talking about the TimeBase AI Assistant, a new DIAL application that can help you work with your time series data using natural language. If you're interested in the underlying database engine used for this application, please feel free to check out the TimeBase documentation linked in the description below. In this example, we will be demonstrating how we can use this assistant to monitor ticker prices, generate indicators, and create signals to receive price alerts in real time. We'll start by asking for our prices for the SPY ETF for the past 2 hours. We can see our multi-agent approach in action, explaining the step-by-step chain of thoughts reasoning, and ultimately providing instructions to call the Python developer agent and generate the code to retrieve the prices from TimeBase and visualize them inside of DIAL. As you can see, we now have a plot with our SPY prices for the past 2 hours. Next, we'll ask our agent to add some indicators. We'll start with Bollinger Bands in a 5-minute window. Next, we'll add our RSI, the Relative Strength Index indicators for this ticker. Looking into the chain of thoughts, we see exactly how the agent decides to interpret our queries. It knows it needs to keep the previous request in mind while continuing along the path. We now have a plot with SPY prices, as well as the Bollinger Bands and RSI over the past 2 hours. Now that we have our indicators, let's generate some signals. We'll do some simple momentum-based signals here. When the RSI is below 30 and the price crosses below the lower band, we'll generate a down signal, and when the RSI is above 70 and the price crosses above the upper band, we'll generate an up signal. We can see the historical generation of these signals over this 2-hour period. Finally, let's take it one step further and get this working in real time. We're going to ask the assistant to notify me on signals. Here, we see our TimeBase monitor appear. We can define the settings that we want to show and get started monitoring the events. DIAL integrates seamlessly into your messenger applications of choice, and you can see me receiving updates in my Teams channel. We hope you enjoyed this brief demonstration of how the DIAL TimeBase AI Assistant can help you monitor and study ticker prices and indicators, while also generating real-time or historical signals. This is just one of the many community-developed applications that are becoming part of the DIAL ecosystem. Stay tuned for more examples. Thank you.